I'm your commentator, John Champion, and summarising here with me is Jim Beglin.
Hello, John. Hello, everyone. It's a real pleasure to be here.
Everyone, please welcome to the field our players.
So, here we go then. Stopped him illegally there. Chadley.
Oh, look, they've got to show cooler heads. By giving it away, they're just inviting more danger.
Keeper with the block. Oh, that's a vital stop.
I thought he was magnificent then. He had no right to get anywhere near that. What a save.
A ball in. And he's offside, the flag is up.
That was very, very close. He was just offside.
Plays this forward. Here's Dembele. He takes the opportunity to shoot. Recklessly dived in, could be a penalty. A penalty kick. The referee points to the spot, and further punishment too. A yellow card for the offender. Could easily have been red, really. He doesn't look at all nervous, to be honest, so he should slot this one away and give them the lead. He buries it to give his side a precious lead. He made no mistake from the spot.
Well, that's about as cheeky as it comes. By going right down the middle, it may have backfired, but it's worked for him this time.
They've got off to a very good start.
I think that goal will give them great confidence now, though they can't afford to become complacent. That would be silly at this stage.
It's on for him. Capoue wants to get this forward. Great chance for the counter. Got it. This is lovely passing to watch.
He's got two options here. He either goes for goal or he opts for the little dink into the penalty box.
He's gone for it! Couldn't make the most of the chance.
Oh, it's miles away. Surely he knew he couldn't score from there.
Straight offside then, free kick to the opposition. Lennon. Quarter of an hour played. Here's Sandro. He's got in. Slides it through. Kitarian. Looking to carve open the defence. Here's Lennon. They're breaking out quickly here.
Well, they need a lot more urgency in that area.
Here's Dembele. Adebayor. It's cleared away. The pass cut out. Now Adebayor. He's got in. The flag stays down. Here's Sandro. And he shoots from there. It had the range, but not the accuracy.
Well, he caught that one right on the meat. Cracking effort.
This is very pleasing on the eye. Mkhitaryan. We've nearly reached the half-hour mark. Tried to play it through. Cleared away. Now Sandro. Chadley. Sven Bender. Looking to thread it through. Can he now find a finish? Lennon. Finds him well. It's on for him. He's onside. Now Adebayor. Here's Dembele. Lennon. Adebayor. Half-time approaching. Chadley. The linesman's kept his flag down. Shoots here. Keeper claims it.
Right in front of goal like that, and he's gone and missed it. I won't have to tell him that's not good enough.
Got it. Plays this forward. Sven Bender. And now the counter-attack. Now Adebayor. The half-time whistle goes.
Yeah, well, so far so good. I mean, it took a penalty to break the deadlock, but I'm certainly hopeful of more goals second half.
Just the one goal separates them then. It's 1-0. So the referee signals the beginning of the second half in what's been a fairly interesting encounter. No, that won't be finding its target. Wants to get this forward, plays this forward. Adebayor! Nicely fed in.
Oh, such a good ball to get him through. Showed real vision and awareness then in trying to pick him out.
A chance, and he'll shoot here.
But just how wasteful was that?
Capoue. Intercepted. Didn't get the ball there. Free kick. Cuts it out. Chadley.
Listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they'll threaten more from the wider positions.
It's come through to him nicely. Could be a chance now. And down he goes. Is it a penalty? Yes! The referee points to the spot. Absolutely no doubt at all in the referee's mind there. It's a real chance to put them further in front. Can he do it from just 12 yards out? Oh, a fantastic save! He's not taking any risks there. Drives it in. Marcel Schmelzer. Going for goal. Capoue.
Well, it's all very tight in that area. I think they should play a longer pass.
Substitution.
15 minutes of the second half played. Marcel Schmelzer. No, didn't quite get the distance he wanted on it.
They may well get a bit more joy down the flanks. They'll certainly find more space out there.
Here's Adebayor. And he finds a bit of space here. A shot! Lucas Piszczek. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Play surges forward. It's opened up nicely for him. He goes alone and scores! Now back on level terms.
Well, it certainly livened things up a bit, and that next goal now is absolutely crucial. I wish I'd played with somebody like that. Just give him the ball and let him go on a run. What quality! Absolutely wonderful.
He just went all the way. It's a treat, that one. So we resume with the scores back level.
Well, that's got them back in it, but it'll be very interesting to see what way they approach it now. Do they settle for that or push for more?
Hits the ball. A huge chance missed.
Oh, he could really have put his team in the driving seat by scoring there.
Now Nuri Sahin. Chadley. They're off on the counter. He's looking to attack from out wide. Almost 75 minutes on the watch now. Chadley. Here's Sandro. Cut out in a promising position. And he was obstructed there. Referee gives the free kick. Sven Bender, Kitarian and Lennon. This could be interesting. Goal! Could this be it for them? That is simply unsavable.
The goal scorer, Dembele.
They now lead by 1 goal.
Oh, it was a long time coming, but I think it's fully merited. They've applied themselves extremely well.
He's carved himself a chance here.
Well, if they're going to see this through, they'll need to keep the teamwork really strong and show good togetherness and spirit. They can't allow the work rate to drop.
To the back. He can take the shot on here, and he'll get the shot away here! And that's gone wide of the left-hand post. Sven Bender.
It's all very neat football, but time is against them now, and they need to get the ball forward.
It's swung into the middle. And that won't be making it through. That'll be a throw-in. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? Mkhitaryan cuts it out. Pierre Aubameyang. He's latched onto it. Now he's ready for a shot. Sandro. Capoue. A fine display of slick passing. It's through. Now the chance. The referee blows and it's all over. They rammed home the advantage towards the end, but praise to both sides, I reckon, for their never-say-die attitude throughout.
Oh, we saw some good attacking play, and it was always a tight affair. To be honest, it could have gone the other way.
So, before we leave the stadium, there's just time for me to say my thanks to Jim for his analysis, and to wish you a very good evening.